By popular demand, here is my full tutorial on how I make my Epis broken down so you can master it at home. First things first, wash your veggies. It's a must. I'm using green, yellow, and red bell pepper. I cut it in half and then I cut out the white part and removed the seeds. Gave it a rough chop. Trust me, it doesn't have to be perfect because everything will be blended. I cut the stems of my scallion and my parsley, cut my lime in half and my scotch bonnet pepper. I'm using 2 for this recipe. You can use however much you like or not at all. Then I rough chop my onion. I'm using 1 medium onion. Then I crushed about 6 cloves and used some garlic. I use about 6 cloves of garlic or so. Please use fresh garlic. Add everything to the blender or a food processor and add some leaves of some thyme. Then I added half cup of oil. I'm using olive oil, 1 tablespoon of chicken bouillon, 1 tablespoon of salt, and 1 tablespoon of black pepper. That's all the seasonings you need. Blend it until it's smooth or the consistency that you like. Give it a taste and ooh, it's perfect. This gave me 2 full 12-ounce glass jars. Don't forget to save this recipe.